So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. The stylist did cut off quite a bit of hair for this one. Ooh, absolutely stunning shoulder length bob haircuts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out a variety of haircut transformations. Here we have someone rocking the mini bob trend. I love her hair color. That dark copper is absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone with salt and pepper hair. Stylist gave her a brighter color as well as a pixie haircut. Wow, she looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have someone here playing hair roulette. I'm secretly hoping that she picks out a mullet. Oh, she picked a cut. Oh wow, this is still really pretty pixie, nice undercut, kind of like a dark copper chocolate coloring on the top. And then we see someone switch it up with this pixie mullet variation, loving the silver coloring for this one. Beautiful silver platinum tone. And then we have this curly pixie cut, beautifully done. Very popular hairstyle for the curly girls. Here we have a beautiful pixie bob haircut. Followed by another long to short transformation, so she ended up getting a 90s inspired pixie style mushroom bowl cut. So there the stylist is cutting the hair. Oh wow, so that was a double transformation. So she has a pixie featuring finger waves and curls. Oh, wow, look at this pixie bob haircut. This one features longer sides and bangs. And here we have a bit of a mullet mohawk style. Oh, I love it. Very cool. Looks like we have an asymmetrical pixie for the next one. So this pixie features super long bangs in the front, lots of volume in the back. Gorgeous. Love the shape and texture of this style. So here we have someone with dreadlocks. Looks like they are cutting their hair. Her lashes are gorgeous. Oh, very nice short and sweet pixie with lots of curls mixed in. And then here it looks like we have a bob haircut transformation. Absolutely stunning bob. I love the swoop bangs. Bit of layers mixed in as well. Nice and chic style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.